Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are...
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
And we hope y'all are having a great day. Today Marie and I are getting ready to make a meal. And this meal, it does not have a name for it, and it does not have a recipe. But I seen some of our friends making it, and I thought it looked real good. So I wanted to try to duplicate and do about the same meal. And we'll just call it sausage, potatoes, and pasta. Or either sausage, vegetables, and pasta, one of the two. But it's only got 4 ingredients. First ingredient, it has some rotini pasta. And for the amount I'm going to make today, we're going to use 8 ounces of the pasta. Then it calls for some marinara sauce. And this is a 24-ounce jar. And we may use it all, but we're going to try putting about half of it in. And if that looks like enough, we're going to stop at half. We're also going to be using, this is the, I think this is a 12-ounce package of Eckrich skinless turkey smoked sausage, and it comes in 2 lengths. I've already got one sliced up. We're just going to use 1 length for me and Marie today. Yeah. And then the vegetables, they used fire roasted vegetables, but I couldn't find any fire roasted vegetables, but I found this pack, and it's actually for an air fryer. But it's got potatoes and peppers in it, and I thought this would be a good pack of vegetables to try. Okay, so Marie, now like I said, there's no recipe for this, so if you want to make this, you're going to have to do like I did, just sort of watch what we did and do the same thing. We've already got some olive oil heating up, so Marie is going to add the vegetables to it, and these vegetables are not cooked, so we're going to have to let them probably saute for maybe about 15 minutes. You think that'll be enough, Marie?
Yes, I think so.
We're going to let these saute for just a little bit. While they're sauteing and getting ready, I'm going to go ahead and add the pasta to the water. It has just come to a boil over here. And like I said, this is 8 ounces of pasta. I've already got a little bit of salt in there and just a little bit of oil in there. And so we'll let those boil and cook. And so we'll break away for just a few minutes, and when these get cooked about halfway, we'll come back and add the sausage to it.
Okay, my vegetables have been cooking for about 5 minutes, so now I'm going to add in my turkey sausage.
That sure is starting to smell good, isn't it, Marie?
Yeah, it's those onions and peppers.
Yeah, we tried to make this as healthy as we could for just a good basic skillet meal, and I think it's going to be good. It's looking good anyway. Okay, let's check on the pasta. The pasta's only got about 3 more minutes, so when it's done, I'll drain it off and have it ready for when this gets done.
Yeah, we're still enjoying this cool weather right now, but I think we're going to have to make up for it next week.
I think so too. We've been feeding the deer every night, and I got the new trail cam out there, and so we got some real good pictures of those little baby deers. The pictures at nighttime, it's hard for them to tell a lot about them, but the ones in the daytime where you can see that they're baby
Yeah.
deer, that was a beautiful picture. I put that on our community page yesterday, and hope you enjoyed seeing that.
My sausage and potatoes and vegetables have been cooking for about, I'd say, 10 minutes. So now then I'm going to pour in my marinara sauce. I'm going to use about half of this.
Now, hopefully that'll be enough. We've never made this before, so we're just trying it.
Okay.
That looks like enough to me, Marie.
Yeah.
And that was about half the jar.
Okay, so let's put our pasta in now.
Do you want to do it, Marie?
You can bring it over here if you want to. Okay, so now then I'm going to put our pasta in the bowl. You want more than that, Calvin?
That's enough for me. Actually, that's perfect right there. Okay.
Okay. Okay, we already have our tea and salad made, and we have our pasta in our bowl, and we're letting this turkey and marinara sauce and vegetables cook for about 2 minutes before we add it to our pasta. I'm ready to add my sauce and turkey and potatoes and vegetables to my pasta. Okay. Can you skip that to the side? Okay. And scoot that back to the side.
Okay.
Okay. I think that needs just a little bit more. Okay, now then do you remember which one was yours?
This one's mine over
Okay.
here. Let me set that over here so it'll be off that heat. Those electric burners will continue to cook for a long time. We'll get off the heat. Okay, Marie. Now, be careful because that's very hot.
Okay.
Okay.
That's my salad. Because you don't like that stuff. Calvin doesn't like a lot of things that I like on mine, like cucumbers and onion and olives. I believe you did say you liked olives, but I forgot to put them on there.
Oh, that's okay. Okay. Let me pull you over this way just a little bit. That way you won't be right behind that.
Okay.
Okay, it looks good, Marie. Let's try a little taste test of it.
All
I
right.
think I'm gonna get potato first here.
It looks very hot.
I bet it's gonna burn me. It tastes good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get tomato in this bite. Or actually, that's not tomatoes, that's peppers, isn't it?
think I'll get a turkey sausage.
I knew when I saw them making this that this was definitely something that I would want to try, and I'm happy with it.
It's really good. But if I was going to make it again, I think what I would do would use real potatoes and go ahead and brown them up and then put it in there. Because these did turn out to be just a teeny bit mushy. But it's still very, very good.
Yeah. Yeah, you can use any type of vegetables you want to use in it.
Yeah, we didn't have a good choice.
We didn't. This was the only thing I could actually find, and I looked and looked for some. I was looking for frozen vegetables in particular.
But this is very tasty. So we won't keep here. We won't keep eating here. And I guess we're going to close our video out now and eat this delicious meal. So y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. And I hope y'all are having a great day and enjoying the weather wherever you are. And I hope you're having good weather. So we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
And if anyone tries this, let us know how you liked it. But I'm very satisfied with it. It is really delicious.
Yes, it is. It's very good. And I believe next time we make it, we'll add the whole jar of pasta.
The sauce to it.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Marinara sauce, yeah.
Yeah, the marinara sauce.
Yeah, it could use a little more, but it's soaked into these noodles, and I like it just like this. And we got enough of it, we can do it again. Okay, y'all, we'll see you on our next video. Bye.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here.